It's time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I give her the parties, and she helps me to bed. And then I told her, I said, turn out the lights. I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight.
As I write this letter, my heart's beating much too fast for my pain. Soon I'll be in your arms again. Today I'll be with you to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, whatever did we part. Those thoughts having story up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love breathe tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, whatever did we part.
Parted in the Valentine, waited till my fingers bled. For the summer of '69, me and some guys from school headed down the Cromwell Hall. Till it went when Judy got married. Should have known we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, the summer seemed to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Yeah. Great is complaining when you got a job to do. Spin them down out to driving. And that's when I met you, yeah. Standing over my sports. You told me not to wait forever. Oh, and when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh, yeah. Back in the summer of '69. Oh, man, we were given time and we were young and restless and needed to find. I guess nothing can last forever, forever, yeah. Yeah. And now the times are changing. Look at everything that's come and gone. Sometimes when I'm planning on 6th Street, I think about you only one went wrong. Standing on my sports, you told me I could last forever. Oh, and when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh, yeah. Back in the summer of '69. Oh, into the summer of '69. Oh, yeah. Me and my baby in '69. It was summer, summer of '69. Oh.
She knows when I'm lonesome, and she cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times, she's down in the bed. Whenever I'm discouraged, I tell the things that I want to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles, she makes the most things right. I can make up excuses not to hold her of night. We can talk of tomorrow and tell the things that I want to do. But girl, How can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what you do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone with you? But girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what you do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
Can I talk to you? I can't believe that you are here. How did I ever find you? And you are the dream that saved my life. You are the reason I survived. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as smart as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. When I hold you, and girl, you smile like sun from the sky. You are too beautiful for a human eye. And you are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as smart as I love you. is it right if the feeling starts to carry me away? On this day, I promise forever, and on this day, I surrender my heart, and here we stand like a plan. We say you always look at me this way, like on this day. You are the candle, love's flame. Our fire burns, wind and rain. Shine your light on this heart of mine to the end of time. You came to me like the dawn through the night, just shining like the sun. Out of my dreams and into my life, you are the one, you are the one. Said I love you, but I lied. This is more than love I feel inside. Said I love you, but I was wrong. 'Cause love could never ever feel so strong. I said I love you, but I lied. With all my soul, I cry in vain. How can more words my heart explain? Taste of heaven, so deep, so true. I found you. So many reasons, so many ways. My love has just begun. Yeah, I need you forever. I need you to stay. Lady, I'm your knight in shining armor, and I love you. You have made me what I am. I am yours, my love. There's so many ways I want to say I love you. Let me hold you in my arms for every moment. You have gone and made me so cool. I'm so lost in your love, and oh, we belong together. Won't you believe in my song? Lately, for so many years I thought I'll never find you. You have come into my life and made me whole. Forever, let me wait to see you each and every morning. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I see no one else but you. There's no other love like my love. And yeah, oh yes, I always want you near me. I've waited for you for so long. I want you to live, 'cause my love, there's something I want you to know. You're the love of my life. You're my lady.
Stuck on you, get this feeling down in my soul that I just can't lose. So I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now is I'll be with you to the end. So I'm on my way, mighty glad to stay. Stuck on you, I feel for too long. Give it's time for me to coming on. So I'm on my way. Hard to see that a woman like me could be around for men like me. So I'm on my way. I declared this thing. On that midnight train tomorrow, and I know that's where I'm going. I'm packing with trouble, and I heard them all the way. This time we got it done. I'm coming on this day. I'm stuck on you. Get this feeling that deep in my soul that I just can't lose. So I'm on my way. Hard to see that a woman like you could be around for men like me. So I'm on my way. I declare this thing.
Once there was a love deeper than any ocean. Once there was a love filled with such devotion. It was yours and mine to hold in place. To keep for a lifetime. Then you went away on the lonely day. Once there was love. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I somehow I feel so all alone, wondering where I gone wrong. Once there was a love that will never come again. So let's not pretend. Once there was a love, but that was long ago. so wrong. Never getting from such joy on this earth. So I take to a road paved from green. I return when I wake up from the screen. But the pain doesn't leave the distance, make it grow. All I have are the years, one small spark from glow. Please don't stop remembering, even though I'm not there. My mind knows you're gone, but my heart doesn't care. Oh, please don't stop remembering. The time fades away, but love still lives on, and the memory stays. Now I live in a place by the sea. It's a time that I set myself free, and I started to feel that I'm not such a fool. 'Cause I know that the test it left. I almost fell over the years. Life will work too much, so I go home. With the day and the night and the dream, still got my song. Please don't stop remembering, even though I'm not there. My mind knows you're gone, but my heart doesn't care. Oh, please don't stop remembering. Time fades away, but love still lives on, and the memory stays. Oh, please don't stop remembering, even though I'm not there. My mind knows you're gone, but my heart doesn't care. And if I dance to see me, well, I smile and say hi. You think I'm fine, but I'm breaking inside. Oh, please don't stop remembering, even though I'm not there. My mind knows you're gone, but my heart doesn't care. Oh, please don't stop remembering. The years may go by, but love still lives on, and the memories cry. Thank you. You're the Reason by Petama. How can I forget the longings of my heart? It's you I think of night and day. I know I couldn't touch you. I know I couldn't hold you, but I wish I really could. Just care for you. You are the reason, the seasons of my life. You're everything I wish and live for. Give me an answer, show me the way. You're breaking me, leaving me in pain. You're the burning pain in my heart and in my talk on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with lies. And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Romance and all this tragedy leaves me battling with the pride, but through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still trapped within my crew. A hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. At times I'd like to break you and cry into your knees. At times I'd like to break through and hold you and squeeze. At times I understand you, and I know how hard to cry. I was what love commands you, and I was love pacified. But times to think with drifters, still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then the passion flares again. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna heading our way. I can feel your answer deep inside me. I can hear you whispering you want to stay close to me. Every day and every night, I never touch a love that feels so right. Every day and through the night, let me be the one to hold you tight. I can't let go. I can't let go. I can't let go. You're part of me, don't you know? And I can't let go. Can't let go. I can't let go. You're part of me, don't you know? Count on you. Tommy Show. When I feel like the world's gone mad, I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. On a road we've been so far, we've sworn at a moon, we've counted a million stars. My love still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I stand out this far. spend the rest of my days anywhere with you, long as it's close to you. Good on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. And no looking back. Good on you every time. To raise my warming mind, and you fall over me, important to me, my miracle cry. Oh, now that I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Thank you. You're always on my mind, no matter what the future holds. I know you're there for me. Time is always on my side. And whether it be right or wrong, that is gotta be. And I try to be the kind of man you'd probably call your own. Treated you as nice and low down. Get you anything you want, anything at all. The greatest gift there is, just as small. Honey, I got you. What more do I need? My life is complete and satisfied.